Alright, this is Brad. He's opening our new Keetsa mattress that we purchased today here in Berkeley. It's pretty tricky. Comes in a box, and hopefully the assembly is easy. So we decided to go with Keetsa because they are eco-friendly, for one, and they are also right by our house. Here, let me help you with that. Oh, you got it? And it was a really good experience because the salespeople don't work on commission. So there's really no pressure. And we got all the information we needed. This is a queen. What's the name of it, Brad? Do you remember?
It's the pillow top or something. I don't know.
All right, so it's like a giant hot dog.
A burrito.
Or a burrito. Look at that. And it has coils in it. Is that the wrong way? Oh. Alright, I'm a little nervous that it's going to just explode on me. So it's wrapped in this plastic vacuum seal. Brad is unleashing it. We're very excited. We had a 13-year-old mattress, and we were starting to feel the springs, and haven't been sleeping well for probably 4 weeks now. We went to the Keetsa on San Pablo in Berkeley, and Chuck was our salesperson. He was very helpful. Highly recommend the store. Look at that. So apparently it takes 2 to 3 hours to be completely, I don't know, inflated.